Hey guys, it's Jaleesa here, back with another hair tutorial. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that it's been all purple everything, okay? So I've been living for this purple hair and I wanted to do something fluffy and romantic and pretty. So yeah, let's jump into this one. So we're starting off this video a lot differently than some of my other tutorials because this is not a tutorial. This is a hairstyling video. And so I wanted to show you guys how I styled these beautiful romantic curls. So overnight, last night, what I ended up doing was taking a bunch of flexi rods, different colors and sizes. I took some curlers and I just rolled my hair up, these 1-inch sections of my hair up, while they were lightly dampened with a water bottle. That's it. And so overnight, sleeping in these rods gave me these really beautiful curls. And I ended up curling them every direction. So some of the curls go inwards, especially the curls near my face, and some of the curls go outwards towards the back because it helps the curls not to clump together if they're all going different directions. And that's important if you want really nice fluffy hair. And I also thought it was important that the curlers were different sizes because the different sizes really aids in the fact that they're not going to clump. It creates the curl individuality, if you will. And as you can tell, this Hassani hair, oh my goodness, it curled so beautifully. Like, it just perfect definition. I was impressed. I'm impressed. And I'm being very careful to be gentle as I take these out, so I'm not ripping the hair, I'm not disturbing the curl pattern. I want to make sure everything looks nice and neat, so we're starting off with a really beautiful base. So once I take the curlers out, I'm going to gently separate the curls, making sure to keep the definition in the hair and not disturbing the curl pattern too much. So I wasn't loving how piecey and separated the curls were looking. I want it to look like a voluminous cloud of curls just surrounding my face and body, you know? That's what I want. So I started taking my fingers and just pulling the hair apart, and I started getting that cotton candy that I was looking for. So here's a better, more elongated view of me really separating and pulling it apart. And I'm getting some good frizz, which you guys know I quite enjoy. I love a good amount of frizz. It just makes it look so like avant-garde, you know? I love it. So I'm going to start trying to frame the hair around my face, figure out how I like the hair to flow and speak to me, if that makes sense. So I'm tucking it behind my ear so that way I'm allowing a little bit more space for my face to show. It's one of my faves. So here I'm just smoothing my hair to one side, smoothing it backwards really, really neatly and tightly, and then maybe taking a couple of pieces to frame the face. But for the most part, I'm tucking the bulk of that hair right behind the ear, keeping it really nice and neat and clean. And I'm taking one of these hairpins. I'm pretty sure this is a Jen Atkin hair accessories collection pin, I think, but I'm not sure on that. Just taking a nice sturdy pin, and that's style number 1. And of course, you gotta make sure your edges are looking right. Okay, so take a little time, make sure it's looking nice and neat, because it's a very important part of styling your hair. You can't just leave it, you can't just let it go. So here's this really pretty, cute, fluffy hairstyle. I love this one if I really don't want any hair in my face. But I went for my alternative, bold, carefree, wild child hair. I'm loving this. Let me know what you guys think down below. And if you aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I love you all, and until next time, bye!